Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect granny squares. Choosing the right joining method is crucial for your project's final look and durability. We will explore various techniques, from nearly invisible seams to decorative additions. Understanding these options will help you create beautiful, cohesive pieces. Let's dive into the different ways you can bring your granny squares together seamlessly and stylishly. Let's explore some popular ways to connect your squares. The slip stitch join is fantastic for a flat, subtle finish, making your squares appear almost continuous. For a more defined look, the single crochet join creates a lovely, textured ridge. If you prefer hand sewing, the whip stitch is a quick and easy option. And for those who like to combine steps, the join-as-you-go method is incredibly efficient. For a truly seamless appearance, the mattress stitch is an excellent choice. This technique uses a yarn needle to weave through the back loops, creating a join that virtually disappears from the front. It's important to keep your tension consistent to avoid puckering or gaps. Also, blocking your squares beforehand helps them achieve uniform size and shape, making the joining process much smoother and more precise. Beyond invisible joins, you can also choose decorative methods like the flat braid join, which adds a lovely texture. Don't be afraid to use contrasting yarn colors to make your joins pop and add visual interest. Once all your squares are connected, remember to weave in every yarn end securely. This is crucial for durability and a neat appearance. Finally, adding a border can beautifully frame your finished piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.